This is Amber's DIY and other stuff. My name is Amber Meeks. Today's subscription box Saturday, and on this video, I have for you a Kidpik. Guys, I really thought that I canceled the subscription because I got my first box, I think it was like 6 months ago. I think. I'm not really sure. But nonetheless, I got it a while ago, and everything they sent just wasn't something that would be good for my son. So I only kept a pair of sunglasses. Well, I thought that I canceled the subscription, but apparently I didn't, because I got one delivered. And then I thought to myself, oh, I'm not going to film this video. There's no point because I'm probably not going to keep whatever they sent. And then I opened the box and I was like, dang, I think I might keep it all. So without further ado, let's see what they sent to me. Okay, guys, so normally I throw the box up and I'm like, hey, here's my box, you know, whatever. But I did already open this, so it's not going to be packaged the way that they packaged it anyways. So let's just show you the box, okay? So here's a sneak peek. Oh, my. Here's a sneak peek of what I got in the box. And what I really like is how they personalize it and they put at the top there. It says this box was styled especially for Noah. We hope you'll like everything. So I think that's really super cute. Let's go ahead and just to let you guys know a little bit about Kidpik for those of you who are interested. It's a styling service for kids. So they'll pick out like 2 outfits for you and maybe some accessories. And you can decide how often you want to receive a Kidpik. I'm pretty sure I maybe did mine every 6 months or every 3 months. I really can't remember. So you get 7 days to try everything on, decide what you want to keep. And if you get something that is in a wrong size, you can exchange it for the correct size. So just because you know what they sent you doesn't fit doesn't mean that you don't get to have it at all. If you want to get it, you still can just do an exchange and they'll send you the right size. Okay, so let's go ahead and start with this hat. How cute is this? This is cute, guys. I mean, it's just a basic hat. There's nothing great about it. This isn't my favorite thing in the box, but my son does wear hats a lot. He loves hats. And I like that how it's like a meshy background kind of thing because it's going to be summer and he's still going to want to wear hats, and this will help his head breathe when he's wearing all this hats. So, I mean, it's super cute. I could always embroider his initial on here or something like that. You know what I mean? So the price of the hat is called a boys trucker hat, and they're calling it in black. It's a size 4'8", and it's $10.50. But if I decide to keep everything in the box, it will only be $5.92. Not bad, right? Okay, so the next thing, these super cute shoes. I mean, how cute are these shoes? Ah, they are so cute. I mean, they're basic, but he needs shoes to just, you know, run around and play in. And the solid white, stellar. He doesn't have a solid white pair. They're the right size, size 9. So I'm like, dude, I'm liking this box. So anyways, these are called a Force High Top. Color is white. They're a size 9 toddler. And the price of the shoes is $29.50. But if I keep everything in the box, they'll only be $16.63. Not bad. I think they're really cute. So we'll see. I'm going to try all this stuff on him. So I'll have a little try on with him. We'll see how that goes. Now this next shirt I wasn't crazy about. Like, I'm not crazy about the shirt, but it's okay. I mean, he would totally wear it. It's fine. You know, whatever. It is in a size XXS, which is a size 4. Small, obviously. The price of this shirt, regular price is $16.50, which I would no way ever pay. Ever. But the keep it all price is $9.30. Not bad, right? So I might keep that. Now these are so cute. This is another reason why I think I'm just going to keep this entire box. We'll try everything on and see how it works first, and then I'll make that decision. But he needs jeans, guys. Look at this. He needs jeans like this that have the elastic waist because he's tall and lean. So a lot of the jeans that are in his size don't fit his waist. I mean, they just fall right off of him. And unfortunately, there's no adjustability to them. Like, some of them have that adjustable thing on the inside, but a lot of them don't. So I'm really stuck. So if these fit, I will be super, super excited. Look how cute they are. So cute, and they feel like they'll be so super comfortable. So I'm really hoping that these fit. The price, this is called a knit denim jogger. Grapeseed wash. Interesting. But the price is $29.50. But if I do the keep it all, it'll be $16.63. So that's a good possibility. And this is so cute. And so his style. Look how cute that is. Oh, I'm so excited about that. That is a really cute top. Okay, so that one is also in a size 4. The price of it is $17.50, but the keep it all price is $9.87. And then they have these super cute khaki shorts. Look at that. Ah, They are so cute. Now, I don't know if these will fit him because, again, he has a really small waist, so we'll have to see how that goes. But they are really cute. They're $22.50, but if I do the keep all thing, it's $12.69 for these super cute little shorts. And then the last thing in here, oh my gosh, this like took my breath away. It is so super cute. Is this awesome little denim. How cute is that? I love it. I mean, I just love it. I think it is just darling. And it has snap buttons, which are really important for a mom on the go. You don't want to have to input, put all those buttons on. So that's really cool. The jacket is a size 4. The cost is $34.50, but if I do the keep it all thing, it'll be $19.45. So that's the last thing. They do provide a bag to return anything that you don't want in. So I'm going to try all these on him. We'll see how everything works out. And if everything works out good, then I will do the keep it all, which would be $97.06. Not bad at all. So without further ado, let me attempt to get some footage of him trying on all of these clothes. Okay, guys, so I was not able to get video footage, but I do have these photos that he so kindly let me take. It almost looks like he's posing for this picture, but he's totally not. I just caught him at the right time, just snapping away. Nonetheless, we have that parrot-like t-shirt with the jeans and the shoes. Guys, this fits in perfect. I'm super stoked about this. So for sure, going to be keeping this entire box just based off of this outfit alone. Let's see the other stuff. Okay, so here I put the jacket on him. Fits in perfect. Super excited about it. It is so super cute. Just ignore all of the toys and the mess in the background, guys. I have a toddler, so my house is always trashed with toys. Just saying, I do the best I can. But you know what? They just mess up right behind you. Nonetheless, let's move on to the next thing. Okay, guys, this is just the hat. So just a quick photo of the hat. Knew it would work out. It's totally fine because it's adjustable, so it's super cute on him. He seems to like it. Okay, this last photo has the shorts with that striped shirt. Guys, the shorts fit in pretty good. I'm pretty happy with them, so I am going to go ahead and keep those shorts and not exchange the size. The waist is a little bit loose, but not so loose that they're falling off of him. So overall, this was a super, super great box. Let's go ahead and jump into final thoughts. Okay, guys, sorry I couldn't get any video of him, but he was just being extremely uncooperative, so it was all I could do to get the photos of him in the clothes. I am seriously like sweating bullets right now from chasing him around the house, trying to get him to cooperate for this video. So nonetheless, I loved everything on him. I thought everything looked so super cute. Oh my gosh, that little jean jacket was just the cutest darn thing. I absolutely loved every single piece, so I am going to keep every single thing in this Kidpik. And just think, I was going to cancel it. So crazy, right? I actually would like to pick up a few more pairs of those jeans. I'm not sure if they have that option available on their website, but I'm going to go ahead and take a look at that because those fit him great. Like that's exactly the kind of jeans that I need for him. So I'm really excited about those. Finally, a pair of jeans that he can actually wear. So overall, the total was going to be $97.06. I did have a discount of $70 savings. So that's why my total ends up being that. Whatever it is I just said, I'm not picking that up. It just fell. This has been a nightmare trying to get him to try on these clothes, and I'm just exhausted and need for this to be over. All right, guys, that's all I got for you guys in this video. And anyone who is interested in Kidpik, I will link all of their information in the description box below. Thanks so much for taking the time to check this out, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye! What's up, gorgeous? Hang on. Today is Subscription Box Saturday, and on this video, I have for you Kidpik. Wow, I hate it when I go blank. I could never do the news. I would probably go blank all the time. They'd be like, Amber, we're live. Just saying. So you just go on to the kidpik.com website to check out, and you can, like I said, you can always exchange things if you like it but it's the wrong size. Okay, so now that I got all that out of the way, then we got this super cute pair of shoes. You know what, I'm gonna do this again. I don't like this.